cylindrical capacitor, coaxial cylinders, very large cylinders I am taking, means length large, means very long, two coaxial cylinders, same axis, very long conducting cylinders, cylinders length L, inner cylinder radius A, outer cylinder radius B. So coaxial to cylinders, conducting cylinders now taken. Inner cylinder, that is radius A, outer B. In between A and B, empty space is there, that is the free space. We can fill that free space with some any other medium also. But right now that is a free space. Next, this is cylinder A, it is cylinder B. I am giving plus Q charge to cylinder A minus Q charge to cylinder B. Why only plus Q and minus Q? Means, suppose if you give any Q1 charge to A, Q2 charge to B, suppose. Even outside the cylinder B also electric field now induced. So due to that field, no any use. We can't utilize that energy. Only energy stored in the capacitor. Means the space in between A and B, any energy stored, that we can utilize. Not the energy stored beyond B. That is wastage. So that's why to make electric field outside the B 0, I am taking plus Q on A minus Q on B. You can take minus Q on A plus Q on B also. Okay. Yes, then at that time electric field from B to A, right now A to B, that's the direction of electric field change. Yes, now electric field from A to B means A is at high potential, B is at low potential. Therefore, capacitance C equal to absolute value of the charge, that is Q, divided by potential difference. What is the potential difference? Potential on A minus potential on B. Why only A and B? Because from A to B only electric field induced, that electric field only we can utilize. Beyond A we can't, beyond B we can't utilize. So Q by VA minus VB. Now VA minus VB, how to find out is the present question. Now students, in between A and B, any one point I am taking, this point distance is a R from the axis. At that point P, suppose this point is a P, that point P, electric field E we need. Yes, it is now similar to uniformly charged long rod case. In our electrostatics, electric field due to uniformly charged linear rod, that is 2k lambda divided by R. K means not directly constant, 1 by 4 pi epsilon. So lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon naught R is nothing but electric field at the point number P. But we know students, potential difference dV equal to minus E bar dot dr bar. E bar, yes, this side, and dr bar also that side, that's why cos 0 1, later minus lambda dr divided by 2 pi epsilon naught R. Now integration, dV equal to minus lambda means Q by L, because charge Q here by L, that is the lambda. So delta V equal to lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon naught is a constant. Integral dr by r, here also integration. R is from A to B, so here also VA and VB. So left side VB minus VA equal to integral dr by r, ln r. Upper limit B, lower limit A, ln B by A, ln B by A. But here VB minus VA minus lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon naught ln of B by A. This is VB minus VB. But we need students VA minus VB. Therefore, VA minus VB, this minus this side, lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon naught ln of B by A. This potential difference here I am substituting. Q divided by VA minus VB lambda. Lambda place I am writing Q divided by L into ln V by A. Whole divided by 2 pi epsilon naught, that is here I am writing. So Q cancel out. Final answer, capacitance is 2 pi epsilon naught into L divided by ln of V by A. So this is capacitance of a cylindrical capacitor of length L and outer radius B, inner radius B. Cylindrical capacitor is nothing but a combination of two coaxial conducting cylindrical shells. That's it. Come on, take. Yes, students, here in the space from A to B, completely I have taken free space, empty or air. So that's why here epsilon naught K. Suppose any dielectric medium, suppose if you take from here to here, suppose in between these two cylinders, that is the space in between these two cylinders, filled with a dielectric medium of dielectric constant K, then capacitance is equal to 2 pi epsilon naught into K or epsilon R. Epsilon R is relative permittivity, nothing but dielectric constant, into L divided by ln V by A. Indirectly, this total capacitance become K times. K times increased. K is greater than 1. K times increased. Suppose in this total space, only some space filled with dielectric medium, remaining empty suppose. That capacitance how change now I am going to explain. Please follow. Not the complete space, only some space from here to some radius. That I will tell just well. Suppose up to the radius C, from here to here, suppose C. Students, from A to C, whatever the space is there, suppose that space completely filled with dielectric medium of dielectric constant K. Again here empty. This is empty, but here dielectric constant, means dielectric medium is filled. Yes, now again C equal Q by VA minus VB, this equal to question mark. So VA minus VB now our target. Here VA minus VB is nothing but VA minus VC plus VC minus VB. Now VA minus VC I am calculating. Potential difference, yes, already here completed potential difference. So that is potential difference previously. But between A and C, dielectric medium also there, K. So that's why VA minus VC, E into dr, that E equal to lambda divided by 2 pi K epsilon naught. Students, K is not 1 by 4 pi epsilon, dielectric constant. Lambda by 2 pi K epsilon naught into ln A to C, means C by A plus C to B, lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon naught, because here is free space, into ln of B by C. This is the total potential difference from A to B. Now you can substitute this value here, because lambda equal to Q by L. So that's why here L. Therefore, capacitance equal to Q cancel out. So total divided by here 1. Yes, lambda means Q by L. Q cancel. So that's why ln C by A total divided by 2 pi K epsilon naught into L plus ln B by C total divided by 2 pi epsilon naught into L. Yes, here 2 pi epsilon naught L. Otherwise 2 pi K epsilon naught L. Numerator 2 pi K epsilon naught L ln C by A plus 1 by, yes, here already K is there, K into ln of B by C. So this is our final capacitance. Yes, students, 2 pi K dielectric constant, epsilon naught, L length of cylinders divided by ln of C, that now up to what radius dielectric medium is there, that radius. A is inner shell radius and K is dielectric constant, B is outer shell radius. Yes, students, take from here to here. Cylindrical capacitor with dielectric slab, not complete region, from A to C only. From A to C.